In this quick Photoshop tutorial, I will show you how to work spot healing brush tool. So let's jump on it. I am inside Photoshop and you can easily access this tool, spot healing brush tool, from here, which shortcut is J. So I am accessing this tool. You can see spot healing brush 3 types: content aware, create texture, proximity match. So I am showing you one by one. First of all, content aware. Then it only need clicking here. I am of this layer, clicking here. See, almost it covers all. Now I am creating texture, create texture, type selecting. You can see here is, if I close, you can see it creating texture, collecting information from surrounding and creating texture here. Also, I want to show you proximity mesh. It will collect information from proximity and fill that area. So I can guessing it collecting information from probably this side, and fill the area. So I hope you get. This is content aware and proximity match works similar, but content aware is very good always. So now I am already created another layer and I want to remove this spot. You can see this is empty layer and this not work as I didn't select sample all layers. So I have selected and now you can see now it is working fine. So I hope you get this. And here is brush. You can change the brush size, you can change the hardness, spacing, you can easily change spacing, even angle, roundness, you can change from here. And size, this is if you use graphic pen tablets, you can use pen pressure, or otherwise you can remain off it is. Okay, and it has also normal, replace, view, on blend mode. See, I am removing these spots with normal blend mode. You can see I am undoing it, and where is, if I replace it, I want to this layer. When I am replacing it, you can see it almost replace it. See it is replacing it. If I use say darken mode, I want to remove this spot. See, it is almost finely from the darkened area. But if I select multiply, you can see here is the shades. Because although it is multiply, it is black, but it is turns gray in the multiply mode. Similarly, also lighten. I am removing this spot with the lighting blend mode, but when I do with screen, it will you can see some texture and some color removes. So also there is color and luminosity. Here luminosity, you can see I am removing this spot from here, but it is luminosity, using luminosity blend mode and also color blend mode. So hope you got some idea from this quick tutorial. If so, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.